I joined robotics freshman year thinking that I won't be good at it, I won't be smart enough, but it's something new to try. As soon as I go in there, I'm in. I can't get out. I've been in it ever since. The team works pretty well together. We're a family. Yes, we might have our, little disputes of different ideas and everything, but basically we work together, harmoniously. The mentors have amazing ideas. I worked on the climbing mechanism, and I would have never have guessed any of the stuff that the mentors, asked me the questions about. I don't think I would have invented or designed the climber any way without the mentors' help.
Team 3673 is the CYBORG Seagulls. It's the team of opportunity, really.
The CYBORG Seagulls really give a lot of hands-on experience with just building things and working with your hands. A lot of experience that kids my age really wouldn't get anywhere else, and really helps us do well in the real world and not just in school. It helps us really work with friends and work with others pretty well as a team. We all collectively work well, and it's a team effort, definitely.
Autodesk really appeals to me. It's so much fun to do that whole engineering, to understand how such a complex software works, and knowing that can get you a job basically in any engineering field you want. And it just gets that foot in the doorway. It's that first step, really, to everything else that you want to do if you want to be an engineer like I did.